Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can find a Twitter user from your contact list. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So to know or find a person using your contact list, basically you need to connect your contact list with your Twitter. So for that, basically what you can do is click on this three line over here, click where it says followers. Once you're over here, you can click on this icon at the top. It says find friends, see who you already know on Twitter. Don't worry, you'll choose who to follow over there. You can click on get started, and it's syncing your contact. So you can click on sync contact, so it'll gonna find all the Twitter user who's in your contact. So if you don't find your friend whose contact is in your phone, then basically either he hasn't opened a Twitter account or either he hasn't connected his Twitter account with his phone number. So yeah, over here these are the people who created a Twitter account using their phone number who is in my contact list. So as you guys can see, yeah, these are it. These are the people. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day. Peace.